consists of a church and a steeple with 3 or 4 houses and as many people. There went an address in great form and good order, composed as 'tis said by William Crowe the recorder. And thus it began to an excellent tune. Forgive us, good madam, that we did not as soon as the rest of the cities and towns of this nation wish your Majesty joy on this glorious occasion. Not that we're less hearty, we're loyal than others, but having a great many sisters and brothers, or borrow in riches and years far exceeding, we let them speak first to show our good breeding. With much transport and great satisfaction of the victory obtained in the late famous action, when the field was so warmed that it soon grew too hot for the French and Bavarians who had all gone to pot. But that they thought best in great haste to retire and leap into the water for fear of the fire. But says the good river, ye fools, plague confound ye, do ye think to swim through me, and that I'll not drown ye? Who have ravished and murdered and played such damned pranks, and trod down the grass on my much injured banks, then swelling with anger and rage to the brink, he gave the poor monsieur his last draught of drink. So it plainly appears they were very well banned, and that some may be drowned who deserved to be hanged. Great Marlborough, well pushed, 'twas well pushed indeed. Oh, how we adore you, because you succeed. And now I may say it, I hope without blushing, that you have got twins by your violent pushing. Twin battles I mean, that will ne'er be forgotten, but live and be talked of when we're dead and rotten. Let other nice lords skulk at home from the wars, ranked up and adorned with garters and stars, which but twinkle like those in a cold frosty night, while to yours you are adding such lustre and light, that if you proceed, I'm sure very soon 'twill be brighter and larger than the sun or the moon. A blazing star I foretell, 'twill prove to the goal that portends of his empire the ruin and fall. Now God bless your Majesty and our Lord more, and send him in safety and health to his borough.